Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start exercise 6.5. For the previous part, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here, sum number 1. Sum number 1, you have 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. So first thing here, the denominator in both case will be same. Here also 15, here also 15. That means your LCM will be here 15. And the upper one will be just write down in this way. If in the both fraction your denominator will be same, then you just write down the numerator as with their sign. As here plus, so 8 plus 3. If there will be minus, then 8 minus 3. So it will be here 11 by 15. For the next one, number 2, 12 by 15 minus 7 by 15. So again LCM 15. Just write down here 12 minus 7, that equal to 5 by 15. Now 5 cancel out with 15, it becomes 1 by 3. Now the third one, 1 minus 2 by 3. In that case here LCM equal to 3. Now as here 1 means 1 by 1, so 1 into 3, so you can write down here 3 minus 2, and that equal to 1 by 3 as your answer. Now the fourth one, 7 by 13, 2 by 13, 5 by 13. So all the denominator are same. So here 13, then write down here 7 plus 2, then minus 5. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 minus 5, that equal to here 4 by 13. Okay, now sum number 5, 2 whole 4 by 5 plus 3 whole 3 by 5. So that equal to, you can write down this one 14 by 5, and this one here 5 3 15, 15 plus 3 it's 18 by 5. So as 5 is the LCM, so 14 plus 18, that equal to here 2, and it's 3. So you can write down this one as 6 whole 2 by 5. Okay, because 5 is 30 and 2. Now the last one, sum number 6. In sum number 6, you have 3 whole 2 by 7 minus 1 whole 4 by 7. So that equal to here 7 3 21 and 2 it's 23 by 7. Here 7 1 and 4 it's 11 by 7. Okay, 11 by 7. So here 7 is the LCM, then 23 minus 11, that equal to 12 by 7. So 1 whole 5 by 7 is your answer. Now next, sum number 2 1. In sum number 2 1, you have 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. So first you have to find out the LCM. So here 3 and 4, the LCM will be equal to 12, because 3 into 4 it becomes 12. So write down here 12. Now the first thing, first you have to divide the denominator, divide the LCM by the denominator. So as here 12, so 12 by 3 first. So it will be here, if you divide 12 by 3, it becomes what? It becomes 4. Now you have to write down 2 into 4 in the upper one. Next, you have to divide 12 by 4, as the 4 is the denominator here. So it will be 3, and that 3 multiply with the upper 3. That is the procedure. Okay. First, you have to divide the LCM with the denominator, and then you have to multiply it with the numerator. So it's 8, it's 9 by 12. So that equal to 17 by 12. You can also convert it into mixed fraction, and it will be here 1 whole 5 by 12. Next one, number 2. Number 2, you have 5 by 7 minus 4 by 9. So here the LCM is 7 into 9, that is 63. So first you have to divide 63 by 7, it becomes 9. So that means 5 into 9 here, and then divide 63 by 9, it's 7. So 4 into 7 here. So it will be here 45, then 28 by 63, and that one equal to here 17 by 63 as your answer. Next, number 3. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5. So 2 and 5, here the LCM is 10. Now 2 divide with 10, it becomes 5. So 1 into 5. Then 5 divide with 10, it becomes 2. So 3 into 2. So that one equal to 5 plus 6 by 10. That means here 11 by 10. So by mixed fraction, it will be 1 whole 1 by 10 as your answer. Now sum number 4. 1 whole 4 by 9, 3 whole 5 by 12. So that means here 13 by 9, and here 12 into 3, 36. So it's 41 by 12. Now you have to find out the LCM of 9 and 12. Divide it by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So here LCM equal to 3 into 3, it's 9, and 9 4s are 36. So write down here 36. Now first 9 divided by 36 becomes 4. So 3 into 4 here, and then 12 divided by 36 becomes 3. So 41 into 3 here. So that equal to 52, and that one equal to here 123 by 36. So it will be here 571. So 175 by 36. So that one, if you convert it into mixed fraction, you will get here 4 whole 31 by 36. I hope you know how to find out the mixed fraction. So that is your answer. Now next one, number 5. Number 5, you have 2 whole 1 by 4 minus 1 whole 7 by 10. So that means here it's 9 by 4 minus it's 17 by 10. So now you have to find out the LCM of 4 and 10. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 2 into 2 into 5, it becomes here 20. So 20 divided by 4, it becomes 5. So 9 into 5, and it becomes 2 whenever you divide 20 by 10. So 17 into 2. So that equal to 45 minus 34 by 20. It's 1 1. So 11 by 20 is your answer. And now the last one, sum number 6. Sum number 6, you have 3 whole 5 by 6 minus 2 whole 7 by 15. Okay, so that means here 3 whole 3 into 6 is 18. 18 plus 5, that becomes 23. You know that 23 by 6. Then 2 into 15, 30, and it's 37. 37 by 5. Now you have to find out 6 and 15 LCM. 3 2s are 6, 3 5. So it becomes here 30. 30 as the LCM. So write down here 30. Now 6 5s are 30. So 23 into 5, it becomes 115. And 15 2s are 30. So 37 into 2, it becomes 74. Now if you subtract 74 from 115, you will get here 41 by 30. Okay, and that one equal to 1 whole 11 by 30 as your final answer. Now next, sum number 3. Sum number 3, 1. Simplify the following: 1 whole 2 by 3 plus 2 whole 1 by 2 and plus 3 by 4. So that one equal to 5 by 3. That one equal to 2 to the 4 and 5 by 2, and then 3 by 4. So first you have to find out the LCM of 3, 2 and 4. So if you divide it by 2, so here 2 to the 4 into 3, that becomes 12. So 12 is the LCM. Now 3 4s are 12, that means 4 into 5, it's 20. Then 2 6 are 12, 6 into 5, it's 30. 4 3s are 12, 3 into 3, it's 9. So that means here 59 by 12. Okay, 59 by 12 means 4 whole 11 by 12. That is your answer. Number 2. Number 2, you have 3 whole 2 by 9 plus 2 whole 1 by 3, and the last one here 2 whole 7 by 12. So here it's 9 3s are 27, that means 29 by 9, 7 by 3, and it's 31 by 12. So now find out the LCM divided by 3. So here 3 3s are 9 and 9 4s are 36. 36 is the LCM. So 9 fours are 36, that means 29 into 4, it becomes 116. Then 3 12s are 36, so 7 into 12, it's 84. And then 12 threes are 36, so 31 into 3, it's 93. Now you have to add these three numbers, 93 plus 84 plus 116, it's 293 by 36. And now you have to convert it in the mixed fraction. So divide it here, 293. Now 36 eights, I hope 36 8 is 288. Okay, so 288 from 293 it becomes 5. So 8 whole 5 by 36 is your answer. Okay, now here the third one. Third one, you have 7 by 12 plus 8 by 9 minus 5 by 6. So that means first you have to find out the LCM of 12, 9 and 6. So here the LCM of 12, 9 and 6 divided by 3. So 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. Divide by 2, 2 twos are 4, 3, 1. Okay, that means 3 2 6, so it's 36. So 36 again the LCM. So 12 threes are 36, it's 21. 9 fours are, so 4 eights are 32, and 6 are 36, 5 threes are 30. So here it's 3 5 53 minus 30, that equal to 23 by 36 as your answer. Now next one, sum number 4. 1 whole 3 by 25 plus 7 by 20 minus 2 by 5. So that will be here 28 by 25, 7 by 20 and then 2 by 5. So first you have to find out the LCM of 25, 20 and 5. Divided by 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 4 and 1. So here 25 into 4, it becomes 100. So 100 is the LCM. Now if you divide 100 by 25, it becomes 4. So 28 into 4, that is 112. Divide 100 by 20, it's become 5. 7 into 5, it's 35. And divide 100 by 20, sorry, by 5, it becomes 20. Now 20 into 2, it becomes 40. It's very easy. First you have to divide the LCM with the denominator and then you have to multiply the result with the numerator. So as here 112 plus 35. Okay, 112 plus 35, it's 147 minus 40 by 100. So that one equal to 107 by 100. Okay, 107 by 100. So 1 whole 7 by 100 is your answer. Now sum number 5. So here 1 whole 13 by 14, 2 whole 5 by 6, 1 whole 6 by 7. That one equal to 14, so it's 27 by 14. It's here 17 by 6 and here 13 by 7. So first you have to find out the LCM. So 14, 6 and 7. So here 7 twos are 14, then 7 ones are, then 2, it's 3. So now 7 into 6 becomes 42. So here 42 is the LCM. Write down here 42. Now here 14 threes are 42. So that means 27 into 3, it's 81. 6 sevens are 42. So 17 into 7, it becomes 119. 7 6 are 42. That means 13 into 6, it's 78. So as here 81 and 78 are in positive, so first add these two, you will get 159 minus 119 by 42. Then subtract 119 from that one, it becomes 40 by 42. Okay, now cancel out by 2, it's 20 and 21. So your final answer is 20 by 21. Okay, now the next one and the last one. Here in 6, 3 minus 1 whole 1 by 6 minus 7 by 15. Okay, so that means here 3 minus it's 7 by 6 minus 7 by 15. So find out the LCM 6 and 15. Okay, then here 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. That means here 30 is the LCM. So here LCM equal to 30. Now 1 divided by 30, and that one is 30 into 3, it's 90. Next 6 divided by 30, it's 5, 7 5s are 35. Next here 15 divided by 30, it's 2, so it's 14. So now here 90 and 35 and 14 as in negative, so 35 plus 14, it's become 49. So 90 minus 49 by 30. So 90 minus 49, it's become 41. So 41 by 30. That means 1 whole 11 by 30 as your final answer. Okay. Number 4. What number should be added to 5 by 12 to get 2 whole 3 by 8? So that means the number will be 2 whole 3 by 8 minus 5 by 12. So that equal to here 8 to 16, 3 19 by 8 minus 5 by 12. So here 8 and 12. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3. So LCM equal to here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that equal to 24. So if 24 is the LCM, then 8 3s are 24. So 19 into 3, it's 57. Next 12 2s are 24, 5 2s are 10. So that equal to here 47 by 24. So if you convert it in the mixed fraction, you will get here 1 whole 23 by 24 as your answer. Now here the last one, that is 4 2. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in 4 2, what number should be subtracted from 5 to get this one? What number should be subtracted from 5? Remember that. That means in that case, you have to subtract 1 whole 5 by 13 from 5. Okay, so your answer will be 5 minus this one. So 5 minus this one 13, so it's 18 by 13, as here LCM is 13. So 13 into 5, that is 65. So 65 minus 18. So if you subtract 18, you will get 47. So 47 by 13, and that equal to here 3 whole 8 by 13. Okay, 47 by 13, that equal to 3 whole 8 by 13 is your final answer.